Hello and welcome to this video provided by Watts Gwilliam and Company, a registered investment advisor. In another video, we explained that all investing comes down to a simple choice. You're either a lender or an owner. Now let's build on that foundation. Once you know what type of investor you are, the next question is, how do you access those investments? And the answer comes down to two main paths: public markets and private markets. Most people are familiar with public markets. These are the places where stocks and bonds are traded every day, exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ. When you invest in a publicly traded company or buy a bond through the open market, you're participating in the public markets. Public investments include things like stocks, U.S. Treasury bonds, municipal bonds, and corporate bonds. One of their biggest advantages is liquidity. You can buy or sell them on any day the markets are open. Private markets, on the other hand, are less commonly used but offer unique benefits. These might include investments in privately held businesses, real estate funds, or other opportunities that aren't available to the general public. The trade-off? Private investments are less liquid. You typically can't sell them on demand. Redemptions might only happen monthly, quarterly, or even just once or twice a year. But in exchange for that limited access, private investments often offer lower short-term volatility and exposure to assets that can't be found in public markets. And thanks to recent regulatory changes, private investments have become more accessible, especially for clients who work with professional advisors. That means more investors than ever before can consider them as part of a broader strategy. It's worth noting that private investments do come with eligibility requirements. They may only be available on specific platforms or to investors who meet certain qualifications. But when used properly, they can be a valuable tool for diversifying your portfolio. So to summarize, as an investor, you're choosing whether to be a lender or an owner. And just as importantly, deciding whether to access those opportunities through the public markets, the private markets, or a thoughtful mix of both. Understanding these options helps you build a more balanced, intentional portfolio that fits your goals, your risk tolerance, and your timeline. Thank you again for watching this video. Please contact us to learn more, since this general information is not investment advice and the opportunities discussed may not be suitable for your unique situation. Keep in mind that all investments carry risk, including the potential loss of principal. We look forward to talking with you.